Say hello, Dom.
Hello, Dom.
He's such a bellend. So we're back in the workshop again.
Just in case your eyes aren't working.
In case, yeah, exactly. So welcome to Shedtune.
Yeah,
and
welcome.
Today we've got two Series 2 scooters in. You'll know this one.
We should be wearing the mutant t-shirts.
I don't know where mutant t-shirts are.
Just there, that Mr. Casey sent us.
Hang on a minute.
So,
and
after this...
Hang on, bit of magic. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
As if by magic.
Right, so where were we? Right.
Come round, show me yours
Oh, yeah.
as well.
Look at me.
I'm in a walk.
Now that's smuggling a wok. So.
Cheers, Mr. Casey.
Thanks, Mr. Casey. Two Series 2s in. Which one's that?
65 Edge Records.
Which one's that?
That, what's his face? Phil
Bin Laden.
Boy.
That's it.
It feels very nice, red and Phil Turdy Boy.
Why is there no engine in it?
Do you want the truth? Or should we just skip that and go, because it's having an engine change?
Yeah, we'll do that one.
Yeah, we'll do that one.
So we've got a little bit of a plan, and the plan is, Dom?
The plan is Dom.
That's right. Take the engine out of that.
Oh, sorry, you were asking me, sorry. I thought the plan was Dom. And I was
Yeah,
like,
that's exactly
right,
it.
Yeah. So, yeah, disassemble.
Yeah.
Over. And then manifest in there. Dom.
Okay. Right, get on with it then.
That's coming out and going in there.
Good. Don't forget we want more stickers, and talking of which, we've got a little collection that we've amassed over the last few bits. Mayhem Jester Scooter Club, they're going up. Joker's SC Norwich, they're going up. 79ers Old Timers Scooter Club jersey, they're going up. Mistron Scooter Club, they're going up. And Burning Embers SC. So they're all going to be on the old sticker board. Don't forget, send more in, we need more stickers.
And banners.
And banners, apparently.
And just say hi.
Oh yes, drop some comments and say hello. Tell us where you're from. For those of you that were interested in the cut down, here's an update for you. It's now living there for the time being. And the LML, that's away. Having some paint done. Should we bore you to death with Dom taking it apart?
No, they don't want to see that. Look at that. Somewhere to put my nuts.
Let's not even go there. Right, I think what we'll do then...
You've been there before.
God, you're so gay. We'll time lapse this, and then we'll come back in a minute.
In other words, stop your boredom.
Okay, so that's the engine out of that. Nice stink apparently, I've been farting. I'm going to put it back into that. And then obviously get it wired up and sorted out. We've got to change a few bits over and then we'll be back in a bit. So the engine's in that one. What's left to do, Dom?
Exhaust,
Yeah.
cables, pretty much it. And just make sure that everything's buttoned down. And
Good to go.
it goes vroom vroom. Vroom vroom. Or vroom vroom. You do your outros on it, clear up.
Right, that's going to be it for the video, Dom.
It is indeed.
Probably not the longest video we've ever done, but
It's the most I've done for a bloody long time though.
it is.
Hopefully soon we'll be back on it doing some decent stuff.
Exactly. So don't
Not
forget,
that we've ever done anything decent anyway, but...
leave some comments, give it a like, a subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe.
That's it, like and subscribe. And we will see you next time round.
We
Bye.
will indeed. See you later.
That's all, folks.